So the last thing really that I have here are trusts specifically. There are many kinds of trusts. I specialize in it, so I've written over 90 different types. There's many different things that we can do. For most people, either a residential trust or a living trust takes care of their needs. Living trusts, inexpensive, widely used here in Illinois. We're very well educated about them. They're not considered tools for the rich. And in this handout, when you get a chance to take a look at it, I've listed 20 advantages of you putting a living trust in place. It's, as John had said, if you choose to do it now, you invest at this point and you avoid all the costs of probate. You get all your assets in there. You get to choose your trustee. If you have property in more than one state, for example, if you have a place in Michigan or Florida, you can get both of those into this one trust and avoid probate in more than one state. If you have, maybe you don't want your assets to go as an outright distribution to your children or whomever is the object of your bounty, well, then you could maybe decide, well, a certain amount 1 year after your death, 5 years after your death, 10 years after your death. Or if maybe there's a spendthrift issue, a pending divorce, or maybe we have a family member with some kind of a substance abuse issue. I know from having done this for enough years now to know that there really isn't such a thing as the normal family or the average family. To have something that you wouldn't normally speak of, and to be honest, this is why many people do put off estate planning, because they don't want to deal with that difficult family situation. Or it's very private, talking about your assets are private. Considering mortality is difficult. So there's a lot of good reasons I understand why people put this off, but putting it off doesn't make anything better. And we have a solution to make most things better, if not completely heal whatever it is that's holding you back. So getting an estate plan in place can take care of most of those things. We can get everything taken care of, and most importantly, when you're done with it, you have peace of mind. That's one thing that I can guarantee.